The drawings, the design, the engineering, the procurement, these things all require a depth of knowledge, a specific kind of knowledge that just takes years to build up. And what we've got here now is well over 100, 150 people that are as good as they get when it comes to pulling together the pieces, the little details that are a very complex build of a private interior for an aircraft. And so when I think about Greenpoint and what we do for our clients, I think in that same way that we're a vendor for those clients, and that they need to be able to feel like they can trust us to come through. Well, I've been working for Greenpoint for over 10 years now, and I have to say that one of the main reasons why I choose to work here is because I trust that my company will do right by our customers. And it allows me to feel confident when I'm speaking to our customers that we will do a good job for them.
I feel very close to our value of creativity. The people that work at Greenpoint inspire me with their out-of-the-box thinking, their ingenuity, teams coming together and solving problems that are unique in our industry. I mean, we do one-off programs, and the collaboration that you see around Greenpoint and in our different facilities is inspiring to be around. Engineers coming up with something innovative, our company coming up with a product that's never been done before. Not only does it instill pride in me as an employee, but I think it speaks volumes about the company and the product we put out.
When I was young, as far back as I can remember, my mother would tell me that it was a proud family story, that her father taught flying at Boeing's. And I can remember even then thinking that she wasn't pronouncing the name correctly. And it only was after many years, actually, when I started working at Greenpoint, when I realized that that was a long time ago. In those days, it was Bill Boeing's company. And so she was referring to Boeing's place, Bill Boeing's place. In my family, working in the aircraft industry goes back a long time, and my experience is like a lot of other people at Greenpoint. There's so much aircraft industry knowledge in this company, and so many families that have been raised on that business, that I think there's some jet fuel running in all of our blood.
I think one of the things that is really special and unique about Greenpoint is the very tight connection to the Boeing company. You know, so many of the engineers and the management team here came from Boeing, that they really understand how Boeing works, and they understand how to get things done within the Boeing structure. So I do think that is something that is different about Greenpoint than the other completion centers, is that sort of connection and ability to collaborate a little more effectively.
What really makes a difference to my mind is the way that people behave under stress, the way they behave in difficult situations, what my dad would call character. And I've seen people under stress at this company, and I've seen them deal with difficult situations. And under pressure, they do the right thing. And I think that's what really makes a difference, because jobs don't always go right. But in the end, if you're working with people that are willing to stand up and do good work because it's part of their belief system, you're probably going to end up with a better product.
I think the biggest asset that Greenpoint has is its people. Everybody's got a good attitude and wants to get the job done right, and I appreciate that, and it shows.
One common thing I would say that I've noticed from Greenpoint over, the last 12 to 14 years of dealing with them in various roles that sticks out to me, and that is that whether you're a customer, a supplier, or an employee, you can rely on Greenpoint to deliver on their promises.
Over the years, we've gathered together some of the finest talent in the aircraft industry to one place, Greenpoint. And together, we make the finest aircraft interiors in the world.